morning, students. Today we see next point, sum of first n terms of an AP. For the given arithmetic progression, if the first term is A and the common difference is B, then the formula is SN is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And if first term and last term is given, then this is the first formula and second formula. If first term and last term are given, then SN is equal to, now SN is the sum of n terms, is equal to, SN is equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. That is, T1 is the first term and Tn is the nth term. There are two formulas. Now we have to solve examples in practice set 3.3. Now practice set Practice set 3.3, question number 1. Find the sum of first. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. 123 even natural numbers. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Now, first we have to write sum of first 123 even natural number. What is the first even natural number? 2. Second, 4, third, 6, and so on. We have to find 123 even natural numbers, its sum. Now here, first write down the even natural numbers are first 2, second 4, 6, 8, and so on. And nth term, now first term is 2, second term 2 is 2 into 1, second term 2 into 2, 4, third term 2 into 3, 6, fourth term, and this is the nth term, that is 2 into n, that is 2n. We have given last term is 2n. Now, write down formula. SN is equal to sum of, we have to find sum of 121th term. Suppose we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find its sum, that is 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4, 6 plus 4, 10. जी संख्या कमी जर असती तर आपण त्यांची सम या पद्धतीने करू शकतो. परंतु स्पर्धा परीक्षेला किंवा बऱ्याच ठिकाणी एनटीएस परीक्षा असो, कोणती स्पर्धा परीक्षा, त्यामध्ये असं विचारलेलं असतं की 1 to 100, 1 to 200 नॅचरल नंबर्स, इव्हन नॅचरल नंबर्स यांची सम करा. तर त्यावेळेला आपल्याला या पद्धतीनं ह्या फॉर्म्युला वापरून आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल सोडवायचं असतं. Now here Sn is equal to, formula is n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now first write down here write down here first term a is equal to 2 and we have to find common difference. D is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and this is the nth term, that is Tn is equal to 123. Nth term Tn is equal to 123. This is not nth term, that is first term is 2, second term is 4, therefore nth term 123 even natural numbers, therefore here n is equal to 123. We have to find 123 even natural numbers, that is value of n is 123. Now put values. Sn S123 is equal to n upon 2, 123 upon 2 into bracket 2 into value of a is first term 2 plus n is 123 minus 1 into value of d is 2. 123 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 2 4 plus 122 into 2 244 is equal to 123 upon 2 into addition is 248 dividing by 2 124. Therefore 123 into 124. Now take its multiplication. 123 24 into 123. 2 carry 1 7 3 8 4 2 4 2 1 2 15 2 5 1 is equal to 15,252. This is value of S123. Now therefore write down answer. Now what is the answer? Therefore the sum of first 123 even natural number is this. Therefore the sum of first 123 even natural number is 15,252. This is the answer. Now question number 2. Find the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350. Now we have to find sum of numbers 1 to 350. First write down given. The even natural numbers, the even natural numbers from 1 to 350 are 1 to 350 are 2, 4, 6 and so on. Now what is the last even natural numbers? Up to 350 means take 348. If we have given includes 350, then take 350, otherwise take 348. Now these are the numbers. Now here first term, that is first term T1 is equal to 2. First term T1 is equal to 2. Common difference D is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and this is the nth term, that is Tn is equal to 348. We have given value of Tn, therefore in this equation first we have to find value of n. Now we have to find value of sum of n terms, that is that we have to find first value of n. Now write down formula for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put values. Tn is 348 is equal to A is 2 plus n minus 1 into value of D is 2. Now 348 plus becomes minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 348 minus 2, that is 346. 346 divided by this 2 is equal to n minus 1. Now dividing by 2, 173. Therefore 173 is equal to n minus 1. Now we have to find value of n. Therefore n is equal to 173 minus becomes plus 1. N is equal to 174. This is the first step. Now here we have first term T1 is equal to, first term is given, last term is given, that is nth term. Then use formula. We can also use formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. Now write down formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. Now here value of n is 174. Therefore S 174 is equal to 174 upon 2 into bracket. Now T1 is first term, that is 2, plus nth term Tn is 348. Take addition, 174 upon 2 into 350. Dividing by 2, 175. Therefore is equal to 174 into 175. Now take its multiplication. 174 into 175. 20, 0, 2, 7, 8. 8, 51, 1, 12. 4, 7, 1, 0, 5, 4, 0, 3. 30,450. This is the answer. This is yes 174. Therefore, we have to write answer. Find the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350. Therefore, write down answer. Therefore, the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350 is 30,450. This is